Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and you're wondering what is the huge bowl is, right? So, we're preparing today the recipe for the bath salt that would have anti-cellulite effect. As we all know, the bath salt, it relieves water retention, helps to smooth and even skin texture. Epsom salts very relaxing. They might even help you unwind after a vigorous exercise, and it could also be used as a base for the scrub, but be very careful. I don't believe in frequent scrubbing, abrasive scrubbing. You can multiply the recipe if you need it, but this is okay, I think, for the first use. As the ingredients goes, we could use Epsom salt in the amount of 3 cups. And you could also use, if you have it on hand or you want to do it, you could use sea salt. I would say it's also a very good combination. You could do 2 cups of sea salt and 1 cup of Epsom salt. Now the next ingredient, something that would also help us to soothe our skin, would be baking soda. Half a cup of it. So you add it in here. The rest of the ingredients would only be the essential oils, but which ones are, it's also very important, of course. I will start by the first and the obvious one, which is pink grapefruit. We use it in the amount of 20 drops. It will also help you to uplift your mood. So I don't want you to stay forever with me, so I'll be right back once I'm done with the 20 drops. 20 drops of that. The next 20 drops we're going to use will be a pine oil. Well, that could be any pine oil you have on hand. Right now I have Douglas fir, which is good pine oil to be used. If you go on any website you're buying your essential oils, you just find the one you like. Another 20 drops. It will also help the sore muscles and congestion, so I'll be right back. I love using Douglas fir because of its smell. I think it's doing really good with the pink grapefruit, but you know, use whatever you have on hand, obviously. The next oil I love using here would be black pepper. Essential oil, I have lots of recipes with black pepper because I really love this oil. You know, it's great for muscles, for congestion, of course, for warming effects. We shall need 10 drops of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe that was 11. And another 10 drops I would love to use will be mandarin essential oil. So I have mandarin green essence oil. You could use the one you have on hand or just go ahead and buy one. It's great for topical applications. So another 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see here, it has dark color compared to all the others. So what's important here is obviously to mix everything up. I'm going to use a little spatula. So if you see like large pieces, you could break them, especially the pieces where the oils are. That's actually the goal, but what you really need to do is let it sit for 24 hours, for the entire day, so the mixture could get like sort of infused. Then you would shake it again, and then it will be ready to use. I always, like after you mix it up at this point, then I transfer it. You transfer it either to a container with a lid or just a plastic bag. That's what I do. I think it's easier and safer to carry around in the shower. Now, the way you're going to use it, you need to add half a cup of this mixture to the bath water. And to make a body exfoliating treatment for use on your thighs and other problem areas, you could blend 1 tablespoon of salt with 3 tablespoons plant or nut oil, any carrier oil of your choice. Do not do the scrubbing treatment more often than once a week. And always remember that when we're talking cellulite, it's really a complex therapy, including dry brushing, exercises, proper water intake, and obviously your diet and massage. I do believe in massage and even mask application, topical applications, of course. This mixture will store up to a year in a closed container, which is really good. When you're using it in a bath, make sure you get the necessary amount right away, so no water can get inside. This is your mixture. I hope you like this recipe. It's very easy and it will last you a long time. even this one already, because we are only using half a cup. If you have any questions, let me know, of course. And if you want more videos on cellulite, on tips, lotions, and other DIY recipes, I will be just happy to make them for you. If you like this video, put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye. Hope you like the recipe.